Get as fit as a fiddle to supersize and grow your business. This is one of my granddaughter's favorite toys. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here to Supersize Your Business. I don't have a fiddle, but I do have a puppy dog guitar that has acoustic, fiddle, howl, and electric all available on it. Plays songs, plays an amazing amount of songs. My mom got this for my granddaughter, and it's one of her favorite toys. So I don't have a fiddle, but I do get to play the dog every once in a while, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Probably not. So today, our idiom, our expression for supersize your business is as fit as a fiddle. This is an idiom that's been around since the 1600s. A gentleman by the name of Houghton Williams used it in his book in 1616 called English Men for My Money. Not sure what that's about or what it means. Definitely have not read that one. But it means that this idiom, this expression has been with us for a very, very long time. What happens when something's been with us for a long time? It impacts a lot of people, a lot of us, or a lot of the people that we are interacting with as we're building and supersizing and growing our businesses. So what does it mean? It means, of course, to be in perfect tip-top physical shape. So our question today is, what kind of shape is my business in? As I'm growing and supersizing it, what kind of shape is it in? Is it in great physical shape? Or is it, this term fit used to mean appropriate or apt for the application. It meant the right tool for the right job, right? So are you the right perfect fit for the people that you serve? Are you the best answer, the best solution to your ideal client, your ideal customers? What makes your organization stand out and different from the competition? Because as much as we like to think there isn't competition, depending on how we define competition, there can be all sorts of competition for our products and services, the things that we do, the solutions that we offer other people. Think of how many restaurants there are on the planet. Think of how many accountants, how many lawyers, how many doctors, how many anything that you can imagine. There are multiple. But the good thing is there's, almost 8 billion people on the planet. There's lots of people for us to serve in the way that works best for us. So share in the comments below today. Have you heard this expression? Have you used this expression? Are you feeling fit as a fiddle as we enter 2022? Me, not so much, but I'm working on it. I guess I'm always working on it, right? It's one of those continually improving projects. We're always becoming a better version of ourselves. So how fit as a fiddle are you and is your business right now? Maybe it's time for an audit or a review of a certain area or aspect of your business. Maybe it's time to shake things up a little bit in your business and make some moves and some changes to really catapult you into 2022. So that's our idiom for today. Go out making an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom, physical idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business right now? Take care. Bye. Go get fit.